Assalamualaikum. I'm just putting out some food for the birds who come to my garden. It makes me feel so good whenever I see them have a yummy snack. I'm also taking a step to becoming a good Ahmadi, inshallah. The Prophet Messiah ﷺ said that we must all treat Allah's creations with sympathy if we want to be a part of His Jamaat. Did you know that one of the steps of Bet is actually to treat all of Allah's creations with kind respect and sympathy? Anyways, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arsalan Ahmed and I'm your host for Little Legends, a trivia game show for kids by kids. Just like last season, we gathered some very smart kids and we'll be testing their knowledge on various topics. I'll be joined by my co-host Barirah Qureshi. Barirah?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm so glad you're here. As always, we will be talking about many things, exploring, discovering, and learning together. I hope you are as thrilled as I am. Arsalan, I'm ready. What about you?
I'm so ready. So Barirah, who do we have on the show today?
Today, we have Team 1, Rameez and Nawfil, Team 2, Ranya and Sabaha, and Team 3, Izaan and Izza. Good luck!
That's right. Let's go meet our contestants. Come on, follow me.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Rabbi zidni ilma Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah.
Assalamu alaikum contestants and welcome to Little Legends. How do you feel about this? Are you excited?
Yes.
Amazing, so am I. So let's dive right in. I will explain the rules. In this game, there will be 3 different rounds. For the buzzing rounds, you'll have to be the first to buzz in order to answer the question. For the Just For You round, only your team will get a chance to answer the question first. If you answer correctly, you'll get 10 points. But if you get it wrong, the other 2 teams will get a chance to answer to get half of the points. That is 5 points. If no one gets the answer correct, there are no points given and we move on to the next question. You will only have 1 chance to answer. In the end, there will be a challenge worth extra points. The winner will be those with the highest score. They will then move on to the semi-finals. Remember, the point of the game isn't to win, but to gain knowledge and have fun! Let's begin with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
Our first round is called I'm a Muslim. This is a buzzing round with 3 questions. Remember to listen to the whole question before buzzing in for your chance to answer. Alright, question 1. A religion is needed for many reasons. Can you name 2 reasons on why we need a religion? Team 2, Ranya and Sabaha?
A religion is needed for the 3 of the many reasons. First, it brings us closer to our Creator, Allah Almighty. Second, it helps us choose right from wrong. And third, it unites believers as one people.
You got it! That's the right answer!
Arsalan, guess how many different religions are estimated to be in the world today?
Barirah, I think there's around 1,000 to 2,000 religions.
Well, there's actually an estimated 4,200 different religions in the world today.
4,200 religions?
Yes, and 5 of the most well-known religions around the world are Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Islam. Fun fact, Islam is the fastest growing religion in the world.
Wow, I did not know that, Barirah. Question 2. Allah revealed some books or teachings to some of His prophets of Allah. Who was the Suhuf or scrolls revealed to? Team 3, Izaan and Izza.
Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam.
You got it! That's the right answer! It's Hazrat Ibrahim or Prophet Abraham alayhi salatu wasalam.
Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was called the friend of Allah by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He could be considered to be the father of 3 of the major religions that still exist today, because his descendants included the Prophet Moses alayhi salam, Prophet Jesus alayhi salam, and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who brought the laws which founded Judaism, Christianity, and Islam.
That's right, Barirah. Muslims not only believe in all the earlier prophets, but also in the revelations and scriptures given to those prophets by God in their original forms.
You got it, Arsalan. We believe in the scrolls of Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him, the Torah of Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, the Psalms of Prophet David, peace be upon him, the Gospels revealed to Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, and, of course, the Holy Quran given to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
But only the Holy Quran is in its original form, even after all these years. That is just so amazing to think about.
After all, it was a promise of Allah to protect it. In the Quran, in chapter 15, verse 10, Allah says, "Verily, it is we who have sent down this exhortation, and most surely we are its guardian."
Alright, question 3. The Qasida is an Arabic poem written by the promised Messiah والسلام, in the praise of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Finish the following couplet of this Qasida. Ya ayna fayzillahi wal irfani. Team 2, Ranya and Sabaha.
يسعى إليك الخلق كالزمان.
You got it. That's the right answer.
Little legends, here's a challenge for you. Our contestants were able to complete 1 couplet of the Qasida. Can you finish this one? Ya bahra fad lil mun'imil mannani. The rest of the couplet is Tahwi ilayka zumaru bil gizani. Did you get it right? How about another challenge? Can you fill in the missing blanks for this next couplet? The missing words were Shams and Wal Umrani. The whole couplet is Ya Shamsa Malkil Husni Wal Ihsani Nawarta Wajhal Barri Wal Umarani. Did you know the word Shams in Arabic means sun? The promised Messiah ﷺ compared the Holy Prophet ﷺ to the sun of spirituality. His examples shine bright for all of us to learn.
I think that it is awesome that so many of our little legends show their love of the promised Messiah ﷺ and increase their love of the Holy Prophet ﷺ by learning these verses at such a young age. MashaAllah, when I was a small tifl, my Ammiji encouraged me to learn the Qasida, and I remember learning a lot of the verses. Our second round is called The Sky Above and the Ground Below. This is a just for you round. No need to buzz in. Team 1, Rameez and Nawfil, this is your question. Alright, question 1 for Team 1. In Celsius or Fahrenheit, what temperature does water freeze at?
32 Fahrenheit.
You got it. That's the right answer. It's 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius.
Arsalan, I have a question for you. So, do you know what you get when you freeze carbon dioxide?
Barirah, I believe it's dry ice.
Yes, dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. Dry ice exposed to normal air gives off carbon dioxide gas that is odorless and colorless. The gas is so cold that when it mixes with air, it cools the water vapor in the air to make fog, which looks like a thick white smoke. It can be used for special effects to make fake fog or smoke. How cool is that?
That's really cool. This reminds me of a joke, Barirah. What happened to the man who tried to catch some fog?
I don't know, Arsalan. What happened?
He missed. Get it? M-I-S-T. Mist, like the thin water vapor. It's okay, Barirah. My jokes are too cool to hold in sometimes. All right, let's move on. Team 2, Ranya and Sabaha. This is your question. What is the name of a natural disaster in which a very long time passes without any rain?
It's drought.
You got it. That's the right answer.
Little legends. Do you know what causes drought? Droughts have many causes. Sometimes there's not enough rainfall or snow for a long time. Or it can be caused by too much heat because the existing water will dry up. It could also happen when the water available could be used up before everyone can access it. This is why it is so important to be aware that we all play a big role in drought prevention. If we use too much water during times of normal rainfall, we might not have enough water when a normal drought happens.
That's good advice, Barirah. Jazakallah for sharing that with us. Let's go on with our next question. Team 3, Izaan and Izza. This is your question. Fill in the blank. Transpiration is a step in the process of the blank.
No.
Alright, well, that's okay. I'll open this question to the other two teams. Team 1, Rameez and Nawfil.
In the water cycle.
You got it. That's the right answer. Oh, what's that sound? It sounds like a bonus question for an extra 5 points. Team 1, 2, and 3, you can get your buzzers ready for this one. Alright, the question is, what am I? Tornadoes begin as this weather condition. Team 3, Izaan and Izza.
A funnel cloud.
You got it. That's the right answer. You get 5 points. I have another joke for you, Barirah. See if you can get this one. What did the mini tornado say to the other tornadoes?
Oh, I know the answer to this one. He didn't say anything. He just stormed off.
That's right, Barirah. Let's go on with our next round, which is our pledge, round 3. This is a buzzing round with 3 questions. Remember to listen to the whole question before buzzing in for your chance to answer. Question 1. What is the English translation of the Arabic word bayat? Team 3, Izaan and Izza.
To sell.
You got it. That's the right answer. It literally means to sell something, and in this instance can mean as one offering themselves to the will of the Khalifa in all that is good. The tradition of taking the bet or pledge of allegiance was not something that was started by the promised Messiah ﷺ. It was actually something that was a tradition started by the Holy Prophet ﷺ.
You're exactly right, Arsalan. One of the very well-known bit in Islam was when the companions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ pledged their allegiance at his hand under a tree just outside of Mecca. This was known as the Bait al-Rizwan. Allah tells us in the Holy Quran, "Surely Allah was well pleased with the believers when they were swearing allegiance to thee under the tree. And he knew what was in their hearts. He sent down tranquility on them, and he rewarded them with a victory at him." 48:19.
Question 2. How many conditions of bet did the promised Messiah ﷺ set down for members of his Jamaat? Team 3, Izaan and Izza. You got it. That's the right answer. He set down 10 conditions of bet.
Did you know that the first international bet was taken on the 1st of August 1993 at the hand of Khalifat al-Masih Rabi in Islamabad, UK? One of the most amazing things about this historic event was that millions of Ahmadis around the world all made the Pledge of Allegiance in multiple languages and promised to obey their beloved Khalifa at the same time. This had never been done before.
Wow! And since then, we get to take part in the blessings during the international bet every year during Jalsa Asrana with beloved Hazur Eid Allah Ta'ala bin Isra Aziz.
It's definitely one of my favorite parts of Jalsa. I know what you mean. It's like the whole world stops and it's just us with beloved Hazur, may Allah be his helper.
Assalamu alaikum. I agree, Barirah Baji. Doing the bath with Ahmadis across the world is such a unique feeling. Little legends at home. Arsalan Bhai already shared one of the 10 conditions of bath at the beginning of the episode. Do you remember which one? It is that we should discard pride and that we should be humble. Pride might be a new word for you. It means that we have too high of an opinion of our own ability and that we think we are better than others. I'm sure you know that this is not a good quality of a good Muslim. The opposite of being prideful is being humble. I have an idea. Let me show you some examples and you can tell me if this is being prideful or being humble. Number 1. Helping your sibling with learning something you already know. Is this being prideful or being humble? Good. It is being humble because you are not showing off and you are telling someone who doesn't know something. Number 2. Getting a really good mark on a test and telling everyone around you that you got full marks. Is this being prideful or being humble? This is a tricky one. It can be being prideful if you are boasting to people around you. You can be confident about your accomplishments, but give thanks to Allah and not share it loudly in case it may hurt someone's feelings. Number 3. What about apologizing to your parents if you've made a mistake? That's right. This is being humble. Accepting that you made a mistake and apologizing for it shows that you are willing to learn and be better. I hope we can all become better at being humble like we are taught in Islam and like the promised Messiah ﷺ wanted us to be, inshallah. Back to you, Arsalan Bhai.
Alright, question 3. True or false? The Holy Prophet ﷺ only accepted the bet of men who wanted to pledge their allegiance. Team 2, Ranya and Sabaha.
False.
You got it. That's the right answer. It's false. The Holy Prophet ﷺ accepted the bet of both men and women who wanted to accept Islam and obey his instructions.
Little legends, it's important to note that when taking the pledge, both men and women would say the same words when making the pledge, but only men would place their hands on the Holy Prophet ﷺ's hand while doing so.
So we're at the end of our question round, and now we're on to our challenge round. The challenge is called Unscramble This. For this challenge, you'll be given 4 different words that are scrambled. Your challenge is to unscramble the words and to write the correct words on your paper. You must write down your answers in the right order on the paper before buzzing in. Each right answer will be worth 3 points, with extra points being awarded according to when you buzz in. Are you ready, little legends?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1, begin!
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله ربي زدني علما. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness.
Team 3, Izaan and Izza buzzed in first.
Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know.
Team 1, please show us your answers.
So I have, for the first one, I have pledge. I don't know what the second one is. The third one is MTA. And then the fourth one is Muslim.
Jazakallah. And Team 2, please show us your answers.
So for 1, we didn't know. 2, we think it might be the where. 3 is MTA and 4 is Muslim.
Team 3, please show us your answers.
For the first one, it's pledge. For the second one, it's weather. For the third one, it's MTA. And for the fourth one, it's Muslim.
Jazakallah. Amazing effort. The correct answers were number 1, being pledge, number 2, being weather, number 3, being MTA, and number 4, being Muslim. Team 1 got 9 points. Mashallah. Team 2 got 6 points. And Team 3 got 15 points. Barakallah lakum. Mashallah. Amazing effort, guys. Now it is time to check the scoreboard to see who is advancing to the semifinals.
This was really thrilling to watch. They were all so good. Mashallah.
This was an amazing competition of the Little Legends. Team 1 comes in 3rd place with 24 points. Team 2 comes in 2nd place with 46 points. Team 3 comes in 1st place with 50 points. So today's winners are Team 3, Izza and Izaan. And a big thank you to Team 1 and to Team 2 for an amazing effort and participation.
Amazing job. Barakallahu lakum.
So, Little Legends viewers, that's it for today's episode. We hope that you all had as much fun watching us today as we had fun making this for you. For more fun games and trivia, make your way over to www.mta.tv/LL. Stay safe, may Allah be with you all, and from us to you, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله ربي زدني علما. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Quran is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah.